Hey everybody, welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Today we're going to make oatmeal cherry white chocolate chip cookies. Doesn't get much better than that. And you can eat them for breakfast too, because oatmeal make you feel good.
Yeah.
So I have 1 3/4 stick of just room temperature butter in here. And then I'm going to put in a 1/2 cup of just white granulated sugar. We're going to do our sugars and butters. 1 1/2 cup, I'm trying to think, 1/2 cup of brown sugar going in. Let me make sure it's 1/2. Because you know, I may screw it up like I did 3/4 cup. 3/4 cup brown sugar. That'll teach me not to write it down. And then we're just going to mix this all up.
Easy for you to say.
No, I thought, oh, I'll remember that. I don't need to write that down. Ah.
Should have written it down.
I'll leave all the ingredients in the description box, though. The right ingredients.
The right ones?
Yeah. So 1/2 cup of white sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1 3/4 sticks of butter.
Butter.
All right. So guys, we're back from vacation. We took just a little trip to North Myrtle Beach for a few days. Got a great deal. People were talking about how much they paid for their rooms and stuff, and ours was like almost half price of what some of them were saying.
Yeah.
I'm like, wow, I did get a deal for the same thing. I didn't go through any Airbnb like other people did.
And they paid more.
We just strictly went through, and we stayed at Beach Cove Resort. So they had like 7 swimming pools, I think.
Oh my gosh.
And
That was a bunch of
a
them.
lazy river, and it was right on the beach. So my goodness, and it's out of season, so we did, you know, like I said, great price.
Had a great view of water and the sunset. Sunrise.
Not set, sunrise.
Yeah, we never got to see a sunset because it was cloudy. We got to see a sunrise on our last day there.
Yeah, otherwise it was cloudy.
Yeah.
Nice weather though. You know, it didn't rain, it just was cloudy. But temperature was warmer here.
Yeah.
Still is. Like today is 88 here, 79 there.
Aunt Miss Connie took her first helicopter ride.
Yes, I did. And we picked up some shells and broken ones too, because Billy's going to make a cement concrete, what should I say?
Paver.
Concrete paver. He's going to make it, and then we're going to put those shells in there. And then that's going to be our memory for places when we go to beaches now.
Maybe we'll even spell out Myrtle Beach with the shells.
Or NMB in then a year.
Yeah.
So
That'd be close enough.
like just 25.
Yeah.
Yeah. And let's show you some more stuff we've got.
Uh-oh.
See this little cutting board? Different colors in it. I like that one. And look at, I don't know if I can do it. This big one here. Look at that one. All different colors in it. We're going to a craft show in October, so
This was fun to make.
we're trying to get some stuff made up. Hey, will you get them 2 trivets? They're underneath my tray. I got some more trivets that he made up. I said, oh, those are fun to do. For me to write on them. This one says hot stuff coming through. You can say your iron skillets on those.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And this one, in this kitchen we dance. So I told him I said make some more of those. I like those. Those will probably sell.
I made some with some different color wood in it today, so I'll bring those in tomorrow.
Pretty soon we'll be doing another giveaway.
Yeah, we haven't done that in a while, have we?
No, we haven't. We should do one. All right, I'm going to continue to beat this, and we'll be right back. All right, got it all mixed up. Now we're going to put in 2 eggs. Already got 1 in here, so there goes 1. And 2. Boom. Just like that. And a teaspoon of vanilla. All right, we're going to mix that up a little bit.
Maybe you ought to mix it up a lot.
Okay, I'll turn it up. All right. So now I have 1½ cups of all-purpose flour in here. I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay. I'm going to mix those a little bit in here together. And then we're going to pour some in here. Do a little bit at a time. Do it in two times. Woo. Okay. All right. Now I have 3 cups of quick oats. You can use the rolled oats, the other ones, if you want. They don't have to be quick. They'll just get a little bit tougher texture on them. And then I have 1 cup of, these are dried cherries. I was going to say raisins, but I'm using cherries. So a cup of those I chopped up, dried cherries. And I have some, this is all the white chocolate chips I have. So we're putting those in there. I was like, man, I wish I had some more. But I'm not going to the store right now, so. That's what we're using. Because that's what we got.
Use what you got.
And I could probably put some just regular chocolate chips in there. It don't have to be white.
Hey, where's that spoon I made?
In that little thing over there. I'll show them here.
Did you oil that up?
You did. I didn't oil it again. He made a wooden spoon this morning. And I said, I bet that's a tablespoon. So I measured it. It's a tablespoon.
It's not real pretty, but it's something.
First time he ever did it, so hey.
Maybe I'll get better.
Alright. Got that all stirred up. Oh, right here on top. Here's this spoon he made out in the wood shop. It's a tablespoon. It's kind of cool.
It's different.
It is different.
Never made one before.
Can't say that now. All right. I'm using
I can't say that it's good, but.
Hey. We'll use it in here.
Yeah.
So I got my oven preheated at 350. And then we're going to bake these about 10 or 11 minutes. So we'll find out.
Maybe 13.
Who knows?
Because you know.
We know. All right, I'm only putting 6 on it because we'll see how, if they spread or whatever. So we'll be back in 15, 16 minutes maybe. All right, guys, here we go. We're going to try the oatmeal cherry white chocolate chip.
They smell really good.
They do, don't they? Oh, they look good. Let's try this one. This one I just took out, still hot. This one was cooling. And I got another one in the oven. I love an oatmeal cookie anyway.
Me too.
You could always throw some nuts in this, but I didn't want to. I wanted to taste everything. So good. Guys, if you like oatmeal raisin, try the oatmeal dried cherries. You can get them at Rural King. You can get them at Aldi. You can probably get them at Walmart, anywhere like that. Even cranberries would look good, would taste good in these too. Now we're talking too. All right, guys.
And some nuts.
And some nuts.
And what do you got over on the counter? Looks like a little bitty cake.
Those are chocolate cakes that I haven't iced yet. So I'm going to make some icing, decorate them puppies up, and then we're on it.
And what are you going to do with them?
I'm going to sell them.
Oh.
So I'm making stuff to sell, guys. Hopefully, be my first time going out.
You'll do good.
Using my tray that Billy made.
Yep.
So, guys, be thinking about me going out.
Say a prayer for her. She'll need it. Nah, she won't need it. Her stuff will sell itself.
Because I have given, them away to them, so their free trial's over.
Yeah. Free trial's over. Now it's time to pay up. Pay the piper.
Although they did contact me and say, hey, when are you coming to bring some goodies? So that's why I thought I'd make some up. All right. Like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and
Mr. Smith Show.
Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gator.